Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to clear your chat history on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you've recently ditched WhatsApp for Telegram in a bid to protect your chat privacy, you'll probably want to know how to delete conversation from both your device and Telegram servers. This isn't quite as straightforward as you may think. So how if you want to delete or clear the chat history on your Telegram? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now we can just choose on the conversation that you want to clear the history. This one, for example, you can just tap and hold. Now we can just tap on the three dots over here in the upper right corner. You'll find there is a clear history. You can just tap on that. And here you can choose if you want to clear a chat history with this account only for you, or also clear history for uh, these users or this account. We just choose from me, only for me. Now you can just tap on clear. So now we have cleared the chat history on your Telegram with the users. It's so simple, right? There is no message again in here. So that is how to clear the chat history on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.